GRIPSTIC makes life simpler. It becomes part of your rhythm. Every time you pack a lunch, reach into the freezer, or make your morning coffee, it locks in freshness, keeping out air and moisture so food lasts longer and your space stays cleaner. No leaks, no spills. Definitely no stale cereal, and no soggy chips either. Just bags that open and close the way they should. It replaces clips that snap, bands that slip, and tools that only work once. GRIPSTIC slides on smoothly, seals the whole bag edge to edge, and stays right where you put it: fridge, freezer, or pantry. In busy homes, quiet routines, and everything in between, GRIPSTIC adapts. From kids grabbing snacks, sweet family moments, and food you actually want to stay fresh. One product, 5 sizes, built to fit your life. It may look simple, but once you use it, there's no going back. GRIPSTIC, products for living, products for life.